Hello and welcome to my experiences and reviews. In this channel I share my first-hand experience of product unboxing, reviews, installation and assembly, knowledge and information sharing for your benefits and the benefits of society. So, tag along by subscribing to this channel. And, if you find some contents useful or if there are some areas of improvement, please feel free to comment on the respective video section. We appreciate your feedback.
Hello everyone and welcome to this video where I'm going to unbox and share my experience of Dell laptop G3 15, which is 10th generation i7 laptop. I would say good for beginners in the gaming zone, but which is also useful when you are editing video. So the primary purpose of buying this laptop, obviously the old one was going to be obsolete, was very slow, and just for video editing purposes. So that's also one of the nice product available in the market. You may find it around 4,000 dirhams here in UAE, and there are quite other competitors. For instance, you may find other competitors in the same price like Acer one, and Acer is offering Nitro laptop. So before we move on, just let me share the box. What is written here is 3500 G3 black color i7 10th generation. The model number is 10750. 16 GB RAM, quite nice. 1 terabyte plus 256 GB hard drive. Windows 10 is available inside. 15.6 inch full HD display with 120 Hz screen refresh rate, which is good for gaming and especially video editing laptop. Processor is 10th generation i7, 16 GB RAM. As I mentioned before, the speed of the memory is 2933 MHz, which is quite another important factor. Storage 1 terabyte, hard disk plus hard drive plus 256 GB SSD. We have got a quite nice graphic card, which is 4 GB I believe, GTX 1650. We have here is then there is a package McCafe was available, built in for 3 years support and warranty standard 1 year internet. So let's see, and let's go and just see how does it look like. Got charger with cable with some manuals inside. That's the back side or the bottom side. In right here clearly details about the product. Quite nice one. It's a G3 as I mentioned before. That's the top view. Very nice book. So in terms of the ports, you can see here is already we have got networking, USB cable, HDMI, power, and over here also we've got headphone, SD card reader, 2 USB ports. So don't be confused by opening it from here. I was just confused. Just to let you know, that's exhaust with 2 fans I believe on the rear side. So that's the rear side, the back side, and from this direction we're gonna have open this one for you. Oh, that's amazing. What they have written here is Core i7. This details about the model of the graphics card. Dell G3 15 gaming is good for 15.6 inch full HD 120 Hz. Thermal cooling is there. Graphic card is there. Game shift is there. Not sure if it is already charged or we're gonna have to charge it one time. Yeah, perhaps I'll charge it again. And for the time being, while you are looking at this one, let me again quickly recap the main features of this product. So as I mentioned before, it's Core i7, 15.6 inch, 16 GB RAM, storage 1 terabyte, hard disk plus 256 SSD, Windows 10, graphics card is 4 GB, GTX 1650. And in terms of the price, as I mentioned before, I bought it in 3,900 with some complimentary items. So I bought it from Emacs here in UAE, and with 1 year warranty, international warranty is there. And yeah, that's it. In my next videos I will try to share also the details about the graphics and others, because I think I'm gonna have to charge it. Sorry, before I end this video, let me also see what is available inside the package. Standard document. We have got a manual. It's written here. First we're gonna have to charge the batteries, power on. You've got Dell support, so that's where we have details. We can find the details. So basically there are two, if you can see here, so there are two kind of ports for the microphone with one camera. Also it has got finger scanning, which is nice feature. These are the details about the connections and the ports available. Of course, once you scan the barcode, you are able to get Dell support. The last one we have got is a charger, which is quite different one. Alright, 130 watt. Perhaps it's high because I think it's a gaming and video editing laptop. Alright, so that's where we are with all complete information. I'm gonna charge it. I cannot wait to see the features and quality of this product. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye-bye.